Right, I don't know what in the camera, it just went off, and I'm getting so tired at the minute. It's been a long day. We've running today as well. And I'm struggling to read, but we're going to get through this. Last few, I don't know what happened, but last few words. So yeah, Andy's just come out to offer me to come and eat with him. No, and I said, "Oh, it's okay, Andy. I've already got some pasta on the go. It's cool. It's bachelor's finest," I replied, by way of a little joke. "I feel terrible. Would you like to join us? We have plenty," Andy continued to explain. "No, seriously, Andy, I'm fine. I'm all good out here, and you've already been so kind to me today. Don't worry, it's no problem at all. Thank you, though. It's so nice of you to come out and think of me again," I said, while being grateful and sympathising at the same time. "Well, if you're sure. Anyway, I'll leave the door open and feel free to come into the kitchen and make yourself some tea in the morning if you want," Andy then offered. This Pilgrims in Ville 15 years ago this was happening, probably not right now. Actually, it was after midnight. Interesting. Got time off an England match to upload this. Right. "No, it's fine, mate, but thank you. I've got my burner and my Earl Grey, and I'm all sorted. You've been so kind to me already, and if I accept anything more, then I'm going to start feeling bad," I stated, and then said, "Thank you once again." "Oh well, make sure you say goodbye to us before you leave tomorrow," he said. "All right, and then you can make me a cup of tea," I replied cheekily and with a smile. Andy smiled too, and we said our goodnight to each other again. I then had my shower, munched on my pasta, and turned off the floodlights before retiring to bed for the night. It was 1:30 in the morning. What a day and what a night. Good night, world, I thought. Then my head hit my pillow, and I was dead to it. Where's this going? Yeah. Right. Whew, that was day 3. Soon as this on, I'm going to give you a bit of a walk, show the Abbey. It's at night time. Yeah, let's do that. We'll say a prayer together, eh? We'll do that. Maybe that's what that was about, why that just went off. And then I'm going to go and watch England. With a German manager. Oh no. Anyway. Right. Here we go. We'll walk through the Abbey. Smell which church there's going to be a bit of a... Maybe this is what it was, a curfew towers up there. I'm just going to walk around. Oh, I just need to make sure. Is that the... Yes. So this is a churchyard. So it's pretty busy and you have it at night now. Yeah. All the new builds, look at that. Wow. I hope there's enough battery. I don't know what that cut out. Very, very peculiar what that. Maybe I'm meant to be doing this, you know? That's how my life goes. It's literally how my life goes. There we go. Fucking hell it. The rain's off. You can say a prayer out there. And there's... I'm pleased actually because it's clear up there. There's a group of lads on there earlier on. I thought I was going to... I don't know, the places where I've just done the videos have been quite nice. Right, I usually finish off each time by saying a prayer up here. That was a red light. Oh, don't go off, please. Right, so I'm going to say prayer up here. Every time I read, this is my routine. So we're putting this in now. Okay. Nice. Right, there we go. I think I've got half an hour till kick off. Come on, England. Oh, I'm going to show you actually, yeah. That's what I'm going to show you. And always do my last look. Love you. Yeah, this is what I'm going to show you. There's something I want to show you here. I've actually got how Barking actually looked. Proper little miniature version of it, which is fantastic. There's a church over there. St Margaret's Church. It's pretty dark at the minute. Right, that's Curfew Tower. And it is. This is what I always touch. Don't know how it comes out. There you go. Right, thanks Brian. Lots of love.